Now, she turned around and saw the door of the wardrobe through which she had entered. Lucy turned around and saw the wardrobe through which she entered. Okay, that was reassuring. If anything goes wrong, I can simply run back. So, this line, if anything goes wrong, I can simply run back. So, this is said by Lucy. Lucy thought to herself, if the question comes, if anything goes wrong, I can simply run back. Who said to whom? You will write Lucy said to herself. Now, she continued walking and soon she reached a lamp post. So, I have already told you what is the meaning of lamp post. See the picture. See the picture, beta. This is called the lamp post. This is the lamp post. Okay. As she stood there wondering what to do next, she heard the sound of footsteps advancing towards her. As soon as she was moving ahead, what she heard? Lucy heard the sound of footsteps, यानी पैरों की आवाज आने लगी. Advancing towards her. Advancing towards her का मतलब होता है लूसी ने जो पैरों की आवाज सुनी वो धीरे धीरे उसके पास आने लगी. Okay? And what happened? And suddenly, what happened, beta? Soon a peculiar creature came into sight. Suddenly, a strange creature stood before Lucy. See, and peculiar means strange. Peculiar का मतलब होता है strange, अजीब. So, what happened? A strange creature stood before Lucy. Lucy के सामने आ गया. Now, we will know about the creature. So, what is the appearance of the creature? We will know about it. Okay? He was almost as tall. He was almost as tall as Lucy. So, he was, now we are reading about the appearance. तो कैसा like जो creature था वो कैसा दिखता था. Okay? He was as tall as Lucy. Lucy के बराबर था. And he carried an umbrella over his head. और क्या? He was carrying an umbrella. He looked like a man with a goat's horns, ears, legs and tail. Now what is the appearance of that creature, beta? First, he was as tall as Lucy. Second, he carried an umbrella. And thirdly, he looked like a man with a goat's horns, ears, legs and tail. वो मैन की तरह दिख रहा था, आदमी की तरह दिख रहा था, लेकिन उसके जो कान, पैर और जो हॉर्न्स थे वो बिल्कुल गोट की तरह थे और जो उसकी टेल थी वो भी गोट की तरह थी. He was a fawn. Now underline this, beta. Underline this. Underline this. Underline this. He was a fawn. So what was the name of the creature? The name of the creature was fawn. Okay. He wore a woolen muffler around his neck and his skin was rather reddish from the cold snow. So we are getting more details about fawn. He wore a woolen muffler around his neck and his skin was rather reddish from the cold snow. यानी कि woolen muffler उसने पहना हुआ था और उसकी जो फेस थी, जो फॉन का जो फेस था वो हल्का सा लाल हो गया था बिकॉज ऑफ द स्नो. दो ही लुक्ड ऑड, भले ही वो अजीब लग रहा था. ऑड का मतलब बेटा अजीब. भले ही वो अजीब लग रहा था, ही हैड अ जेंटल फेस, लेकिन उसका जो फेस था बहुत सॉफ्ट और बहुत अच्छा लग रहा था. एंड जेंटल मीन्स काइंड. जेंटल मीन्स काइंड. ओके. The meaning of gentle is kind. K-I-N-D, kind. Okay. In one hand, the fawn held the umbrella, and in the other, he carried some parcel. In one hand, what the fawn was carrying? He was carrying an umbrella, and see, I have already told you, he carried an umbrella over his head. So, एक हाथ में उसकी umbrella था, and the other hand, in the other hand, he was carrying some parcels. Parcels का मतलब होता है gifts. Okay. तोहफे. It looked like he was busy shopping for Christmas gifts. ऐसा लग रहा था कि वो क्रिसमस की शॉपिंग करने में बहुत ज़्यादा बिजी है, इसलिए उसके हाथ में पार्सल्स थे. On seeing Lucy, he was so shocked that all the parcel fell from his hands. अब what we have studied, see. In one hand, the fawn was carrying an umbrella, and in the other hand, he was carrying some parcels. It looked like he was busy shopping for Christmas gift. ऐसा लग रहा था कि क्रिसमस गिफ्ट के लिए वो शॉपिंग करने में बिजी है. On seeing Lucy को देखते हुए fawn ने जैसे ही Lucy को देखा, he was so shocked, मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा चौंक गया, स्टन्ड रह गया. And what happened? All the parcels fell from his hands. And what happened? All the parcels fell from his hand. और सारे के सारे जो parcels जो उसके हाथ में थे वो क्या हुआ? गिर गए. Now see, goodness gracious me, exclaimed the fawn. Goodness gracious me is said by fawn to Lucy, and goodness gracious me means sudden excitement. Write the meaning of goodness gracious me. It means sudden excitement. बहुत ज़्यादा मतलब एकदम excited हो जाना, खुश हो जाना एकदम से. So, goodness gracious me ऐसा क्यों कहा गया? Because fawn was really shocked to see Lucy. Because और उसने लूसी को देखते ही बिल्कुल शॉक हो गया, जिसकी वजह से उसके हाथ से जो भी पार्सल्स थे वो गिर गए. एंड एक्साइटमेंट में ही सेड गुडनेस ग्रेशियस मी. ही वॉज वेरी एक्साइटेड टू सी लूसी एंड सो ही सेड गुडनेस ग्रेशियस मी. एंड गुडनेस ग्रेशियस का मतलब होता है सडन एक्साइटमेंट, एकदम से एक्साइटेड हो गया. एंड एक्सक्लेम्ड का मतलब होता है बेटा कॉल आउट इन सरप्राइज. एक्सक्लेम्ड का मतलब होता है कॉल आउट इन सरप्राइज. मीनिंग ऑफ एक्सक्लेम्ड मीन्स कॉल आउट इन सरप्राइज. जब बहुत ज़्यादा फॉन एक्साइटेड था तो उसने एकदम से कहा गुडनेस ग्रेशियस मी. ओके, सो दिस वॉज योर होल चैप्टर. आई होप यू ऑल हैव अंडरस्टूड.